everyone, my name is Muhammad Fikalia. Today I want to make a video for midterm test about noun phrase. So let's begin. So the definition of a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that function as a noun in sentence. This phrase includes a noun as the head and is accompanied by other words modifier to describe the noun. A noun phrase is a combination of words that function like a single noun. This means that in a sentence, a noun phrase can act as a subject, object, or complement. So a noun phrase is the noun phrase is has a modifier, the adjective, and the noun. So remember of noun phrase. A noun is a word used to name a person, place, thing, animal, or abstract concept. A phrase is a group of words that can convey meaning, usually as part of a clause, which can then be formed into the structure of a noun phrase. The basic formula for a noun phrase is determiner, adjective, and noun, where the determiner comes first, followed by an adjective and noun. So the example is a red apple. The determiner is a adjective is a red, and noun is a apple. Another example, the big house. The determiner is the adjective is big, and noun is a house. So the determiner come first. So actual components of noun phrase. First, determiner, a word placed at the beginning of a noun phrase before a noun to specify the noun. The example: the, a, and, my, or, his, her, their, this, that, some, many, each, and etc. So the determiner is also the beginning of a noun phrase. And then modifier, a word or group of words that gives additional information about a noun and describes its meaning. The example: a beautiful garden, the book, and the book on the table. So the modifier is a object of a noun phrase, and then modifier is a adjective of noun phrase, and then the head noun, the main noun in a phrase that contains the core meaning of the phrase. The example: my old laptop and the new car in the parking lot. So the head noun is a object about noun phrase. Then types of modifier. First, adjective, a word that describes the quality, size, color, shape, or condition of a noun. Example: she has a beautiful dress, and then they live in a small house. So the adjective is a word describe about the noun, about the noun. And then numerals, a word that show quantity, cardinal, or order ordinal. The example is I bought 3 books and she finished in first place. So the numeral is a show about how many noun. And then possessive. Possessive is a show ownership or relationship such as mine, your, his, her, its, our, their, or by adding to a noun. The example: her phone is on the table, and then the teacher's book is on the desk. So the possessive is about subject. And then noun phrase analysis. First, pre-modifier, a word group of words placed before the head noun to give additional information about the noun. It can be adjective, numeral, or possessive. The example, his big brown dog are playing in the yard. So the noun phrase is his big brown dog, and then the determiner his, and then the pre-modifier big as adjective, brown as adjective, and then head noun is a dog. So the pre-modifier is just give additional about the noun, and then post modifier, a word phrase that appear after the head noun to give additional information. They often take the form of prepositional phrase, relative clause, in phrase to infinitive phrase, or other noun that act as a modifier. The example, the man who is wearing a red hat is my uncle. The noun phrase is the man who is wearing a red hat. The determiner the, and then head noun is man. The post modifier is a who is wearing a red hat. So the post modifier just information about modifier. And then noun phrase construction. A noun phrase is a correctly formula when its components are in the proper order and each element is used appropriately. The example, the determiner always comes first. Pre-modifier, adjective, numerals, possessive before head noun. Head noun, main element of the noun phrase. Post modifier, prepositional phrase, relative clause in phrase to infinitives after head noun. The example, a famous Italian restaurant near the beach serves delicious pasta. The determiner is a pre-modifier is famous as adjective, Italian as adjective. Head noun is a restaurant, post modifier near the beach. Determiner, so the formula is a determiner, pre-modifier, head noun, and then post modifier. So the determiner always comes first in the noun phrase, and then used in sentence. First, subject. Noun phrase can function as a subject in a sentence, serving as the part that carries out the action or act as the main focus of the sentence. Example, the curious little boy with a red backpack is exploring the park. A noun phrase is the curious little boy with a red backpack. The determiner, the pre-modifier, curious and little. Head noun, boy, and then post modifier with a red backpack. So the object noun phrase can also function as direct or indirect object is in a sentence, serving as the recipient of action performed by the subject. Example, the students displayed their colorful handmade paintings for the school exhibition. The noun phrase is their colorful handmade paintings for the school exhibition. And then the determiner, their pre-modifier colorful and handmade head noun paintings. And then post modifier is for the school exhibition. So that's all about noun phrase. Thank you for watching the video. Good night.